my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you guys hit that like button and the subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so when I drop a video, you will be the first one to see it. So, okay guys, today we are going to do an unboxing of a luxury brand, one of my favorite brands. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. Let me plug the shirt. A lot of people been asking about this particular shirt, the Black Beautiful Blessed. I will drop the link to these. These are gonna be added to the website this week. So make sure you go and get your tee. So I will drop the link for you to purchase your t-shirt. So let's get into the unboxing. So these are from Neiman Marcus. Girls love Neiman's. Let's get into it. What do we have here? Burberry, yes. Love Burberry. And this is my first pair of Burberry sneakers. I've never had any of these. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, look at these. How cute are these? Get into it. These are so cute. These are adorable. I love these. And it comes with a Burberry dust bag, so you can keep them clean. You can, you know, put them up and so they don't get dirty. Comes with this bag. So cute. So y'all, drop a comment in the box if you like these. Tell me, give me some outfit suggestions to wear with these. I already have an outfit to wear with these, so I'm gonna come back and do another video so I can show you the full look when I wear these. But yeah, these are so cute, and I love new shoe smell. It smells so good. But yeah, these are so cute, so I can't wait to wear these. So yeah. I will be back to show you the full look, and thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will be back with another video soon. See y'all later. Bye.